Well, the exploding coronavirus pandemic is upending Thanksgiving traditions, but millions of Americans are determined to celebrate hitting the road at a time when health officials want us to stay at home. More than 2,200 COVID-related deaths were reported yesterday, the highest one-day toll in more than 6 months.
The virus has altered another Thanksgiving tradition. The NFL postponed tonight's Ravens-Steelers game after some Baltimore players and staff tested positive. The Midwest continues to have the highest rate of new infections. Adriana Diaz is outside a hospital in hard-hit Chicago. Adriana, good morning.
Good morning, guys, and happy Thanksgiving. Doctors here at Northwestern Memorial Hospital say they're more prepared for this latest surge, but the wave of patients is coming in faster than in the spring. The COVID population has more than doubled here in the last 2 weeks, filling a second COVID-dedicated ICU. And one doctor warned that infections over Thanksgiving could lead to deaths by Christmas.
I expected to be celebrating with my 92-year-old mother, but that's not going to happen this year.
Officials across the country, like Chicago Mayor Lori Lightfoot, made one last plea to Americans Wednesday: safety first on Thanksgiving. The city's public health commissioner pointed to Canada as a warning sign. Canada celebrated its Thanksgiving 6 weeks ago. Since then, the number of COVID cases diagnosed per day has more than doubled.
The U.S. rates of cases right now are much worse than Canada's was.
But in some places, the surge is already here. Yesterday, California set a nationwide record for the most new infections reported in a single day.
I am not going to lie. I am nervous to see what happens.
In Topeka, Kansas, the Stormont Vail Hospital is at capacity, and they're expecting a 20% increase of COVID patients in the next 2 weeks. The CDC recently took a look at Kansas's mask mandate, saying it's proof masks work. Counties that implemented a mask mandate saw a 6% drop in cases. Counties that didn't saw cases rise 100%. One person who learned how important masks are in a devastating way is Anil Garmalkar.
What was your view on the virus before you got sick versus now?
Really didn't think it would have the effect it did on me.
The former truck driver would normally have been hauling turkeys over the last few months. Instead, he's at home, breathing through a tracheotomy tube in his throat. He says his main concern when he got sick was his family.
I mean, the last thing I thought, and I prayed, scared that I had infected my wife and my kids and my mom.
You don't think that you're going to be a widow at 33, but that was a reality I had to face at that time.
That's why doctors are urging us all to be safe this Thanksgiving. And listen to this. Here at Northwestern, doctors say many of their COVID patients got infected at small gatherings at home. That's why they say with cases as high as they are, you should assume everyone you come in contact with outside your household could be contagious. Jerika?
Yeah, these stories just don't get any easier to listen to. Adriana, thank you.